In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the barcode on MyFitnessPal. First, you need to open the MyFitnessPal app. Once you tap the app icon, you will see the home screen featuring various options to track your meals and workouts. This is where all the magic happens. Having the app open is essential because it is your gateway to logging your food accurately and efficiently. You'll notice the user-friendly interface that makes it easy to navigate. If you've never used this app before, don't worry. It's designed for everyone, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned user. Next up, tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. This icon usually looks like a plus sign and is your ticket to adding new entries to your diary. When you tap it, a menu will appear, giving you options to log food, exercise, and more. This step is crucial because it directs you to the section where you can start tracking your meals. You'll feel a sense of accomplishment as you take this step toward better health management. Remember, every small action counts on your journey. After that, tap Barcode Scan. You might see a prompt asking for camera permissions. Granting these permissions is important because the app needs to access your camera to scan barcodes. Once you give permission, you will be taken to the scanning screen. This feature is incredibly handy as it allows you to quickly add food items without typing. You will appreciate how effortless this makes logging your meals. Now, align the food package's barcode inside the camera frame. As you do this, the camera may automatically adjust to focus on the barcode. Make sure to hold the package steady and ensure the barcode is visible. This is a key step, as a clear scan ensures the app recognizes the item accurately. You may see a brief animation or sound once the barcode is successfully scanned. This instant feedback is reassuring, confirming that you're on the right track. If the barcode is not recognized, you can manually enter the code as a last resort. This option is available right on the screen, allowing you to input the number directly. It's a useful backup plan since not all barcodes are in the MyFitnessPal database. While it may take a little extra time, this step guarantees that you can still log your food without any frustration. Remember, even if technology sometimes falters, you have the tools to keep moving forward. With these steps completed, you should now feel confident in using the barcode feature on MyFitnessPal. This functionality not only simplifies tracking your meals, but also helps you maintain your nutritional goals. Each scan saves you time and effort, allowing you to focus on what really matters, your health journey. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find this feature as invaluable as many users do. Happy tracking!